Hi, hello everyone. Let's start discussion on very important slide and which is on the last module, which is the bonus lecture I'll prepare for you, where we are going to discuss on the network tips, resume building and LinkedIn profile optimization to create, the LinkedIn profile most effective that will increase your chance to get the roles and then interview preparation tips. So begin to start. Let you give you the introduction of the model number 9. What we I'll give you the I already give you that things. So let's move on the networking tips. So how create the network for you and to increase your chance to get the product manager role in the RegTech and the FinTech industry. So for that, I'll request you if you are new to my channel and if you are interested in the role of quantitative analyst, business analyst, quant analyst, or the product manager role, or the AIML related roles, or the cloud computing role, or the computing finance related roles. So please do like and subscribe my channel. So that's motivate me to create and more such videos for you. And next next we will prepare I will prepare for the videos on ETL or the gap analysis or the business analyst score for the anti money laundering and counter terrorist financing. So let's start discussion on the bonus lecture of the product manager role. So where we are going to identify the networking opportunity, how to do that thing, engaging activity, maintain a relationship, and leverage the information interview, how to get that thing. So networking is a cornerstone for a career development and to enter into the product manager role in the tech and the fintech domain. So effective strategies can significantly expand the professional opportunity. Begin with identifying the relevant industry events, webinars, and online communicate, and identify the recruiter on the LinkedIn, Naukri profile, or other platforms that available for you guys. Update your CV, update their profiles in detail as I learn the skill set, PRT document, all these things, and engage actively with the asking insightful questions and sharing valuable resources. Utilize a platform and LinkedIn to connect with the peers, mentors, and throughout the leader, ensuring that each connection request is personalized with the brief introduction and the purpose that will meet and update your CV accordingly. Maintain a relationship by following up periodically, offering the assistance and celebrating the milestones such as promotion or the achievements which you achieve in this domain or your past experience. Add create the post on the LinkedIn. Okay, additionally, leverage the information interview to gain the insights into role and organizations and organization eco business system, understand the organization business or the ecosystem, which can open the doors to hide the job opportunity. And remember, networking is about the building a genuine, mutually beneficial relationship rather than transaction exchange or consistent effort and authenticity are a key to creating a strong professional network that support the long-term career growth for you guys. Let's move on the next topic, which is and the most important, the resume building and the LinkedIn optimization, guys. If you do comments, I'll send you some sample format of resume, and I will be help you if you send me your CV and like and subscribe my channel. I'll definitely help you on to creating the review or to go through your review and help you what points you need to add and what points you need to remove from your current CV, and what the things will going in the mind of interview, what might be chance of the interview questions while you are attending the interview. So all these point I will definitely help you in the real world also. So as well, optimize the resume on LinkedIn profile are essential tool for showing your skill and experience to the potential employer. By start tolerating your resume to highlight the achievements rather than responsibilities, using the quantifiable metrics where possible, ensure a clarity and concise by using a bullet points and active verbs. For a LinkedIn, create a complying handling that reflect your expertise and exploration, and write a summary that tell you professional story in engaging a manner, including a relevant keyword to improve the search visibility and keep your profile updated with certification projects and endorsement. Visual elements such as the professional photo and customized banner and can enhance the appeal, and additional activities share the content and engage with the post to demonstrate the throughout the leadership. These optimization not only attract the recruiter but also establish your credibility within the your industry, so that you should add in your CV. Let's move on the next slide, which is the most important: interview preparation. Guys, that is the most important. You should go on the internet, find some product manager interview questions, business analyst interview questions, and in the front of mirror start preparation, start to give the answer of such questions, and verify yourself, listen your answer, add some keywords or add some business jargons that will of industry standards, so that will increase your chance. So effective interview preparation involve combination of research, practice, and presentation. Begin by truly understanding the job description and align with the skills with the roles requirement, research and company missions. Value and research development to demonstrate the genuine interest during the conversion. Prepare the response for common questions using the STAR method, like a situation, action, task, result. You are when you are giving the answer to any scenario based question, so just keep in mind the STAR method, where you give the situation, then what the tasks you take, what are the actions you take, and what are the outcome or the result you achieve, and what that effective for the organization. So structure answer clearly and impactfully, and the practical behavior and the technical question to build the confidence and fluency. Additionally, develop the throughout the question to ask the interviewer, showing your curiosity and engagement with that role. Pay attention to non-verbal communication such as maintaining eye contact and conflict posture. Finally, follow up with the personalized thank you email to reinforcement and your enthusiasm. For the role, these strategy collectively help the candidate stand out and leave the lasting position and impression on the interviewer. So let's discuss on the conclusion and the next steps you need to take. So that the what stage you need to take in that while you are applying for the product manager or any other role. So the bonus model equip the learner with practical tool and complement with their technical expertise and enhance the employability by applying network strategy, optimizing professional profile, mastering interview technique. Participant can significantly improve their chance of securing the desired role which they are looking in the market. The next step involve implementing stage practical consistency and attending industry event, refining resume and LinkedIn profile regularly, and enhancing interview response, continuously learning or prepare the one of the Excel sheet, what are the and maintain all the interviewer number, or what are the who are the interview taking, what the interviewer question will ask, and what the how the answer you should give, and what the better way you can give the answers, and write down all the questions. Try preparing for answering all these questions, and continue learning and adaptability are crucial in today's dynamic job market. Learner are encouraging to seek the feedback and from mentor and peer to refine their approach further. Ultimately, these skills not only facilitate the job acquisition but also foster long-term career growth and professional resilience. So you should follow these steps which I gave you, and that will definitely give success in the product manager role. Once again, thank you so much guys for attending this interesting seminar, where I will help you to bonus lecture on the interview preparation and network building, create your profile, effective profile and LinkedIn and the Naukri. That will definitely help you to get the better job. So please wind up this session. I'll request you, please do like and subscribe my channel, so that will help me or motivate me to create and more such videos for you guys. Once again, thank you so much guys for attending this interesting seminar. Thanks guys.